It's one thing for the religious people, the fundamentalists, to give this explanation how the Earth was created 5 to 6,000 years ago and it was because it was by an omnipotent and all-powerful God who could, put these things that looked like they were dinosaurs there and made it look millions of years old. Now, there's at least, their belief is that the Bible is the work of God and he's transmitting exactly what happened, and they're just following up the dates and calculating how old the world is. But now, Russell's suggestion seems utterly bizarre. Who on earth, what reason would lead you to think that the Earth was created 5 minutes ago, looking just the way it does? I didn't exist 5 minutes ago, but now I do. And you say, wait a second, that's crazy. How could I didn't exist 5 minutes ago, but I remember being here yesterday. I remember being here the day before. But it's exactly like the other hypothesis that we have, that the Earth was created, 5,000 years ago, but that it has all kinds of evidence that makes it look like it was created millions of years earlier. Similarly, when God created the Earth 5 minutes ago, he gave me the memories that made me think that the Earth existed more than, or the world, I should say, existed more than for just 5 minutes. But let's see, where are we going with all this? And I think we can take these insights to put together an argument, another skeptical argument. I'm calling this one the Earth was created 5 minutes ago argument. And notice the first premise isn't that Russell's hypothesis is true, but rather, I can't prove that it was false. If you think about it, you can't prove that the fundamentalists' claims about the Earth's being 5 to 6,000 years old aren't true. Well, if you can't prove that Russell's hypothesis is false, then I don't know that I existed yesterday, right? And if I don't know I existed yesterday, well, it's no different than any contingent proposition about the past. Therefore, I don't know any contingent propositions about the past. Well, once again, same form as the other arguments. The argument is valid. It's not clear that one of the premises is false. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. So at least initially, skepticism about the past looks like it's believable. It looks like it's plausible. And notice where we've ended up. Skepticism about the past is plausible. Skepticism is about the future, about future contingent propositions. Seems, at least it's reasonable to defend it. So what started out as absolutely the craziest idea, that we don't know anything about the external world, well, now we don't know anything about the future of the external world. We don't know anything about the past. All we have is the present. So this crazy skeptical hypothesis is beginning to seem at least not as outlandish as we thought to begin with.